Hey there! Today, let's talk about what's included in the basic kit for bead weaving. You can buy them through the link below the video. There, you'll find universal kits and specialized ones with ready-made patterns. So, let's dive in! The first and essential element is beads. The most common beads are check, size 10. They're the most affordable and well popular. The price matches the quality, although you might occasionally get some defective beads, but they are rare. Next up is Japanese beads, size 11. They are perfectly uniform, no need for additional calibration. However, they come in a higher price tag and can be a bit harder to find. When choosing a kit on the website, you can pick which type of beads you want in the set. You also have the option to choose a specialized kit with patterns, where the beads are numbered according to the required quantity for creating them. The kit also includes a container with different types of needles, varying in length, thickness and eye size. If threading the needle is tricky for you, this starter pack includes a needle with an eye along its entire length. Be careful though, the needle bends easily. If, for some reason, one needle doesn't suit you, just try another one from the set. Some people prefer one type, while others find it easier to work with a different one. Next in the kit are metal-colored clasps with a chain for adjusting the lengths, about 1 1/2 inches or 4 centimeters. They come in different sizes for different widths of beaded bracelets. In specialized starter packs, the clasps are already chosen for the bracelets whose patterns are included in the kit. The kit also includes printed letters for convenient use with the word chart in the pattern. In the starter pack, you'll get white and black threads. Super sturdy, impossible to break with bare hands. You might also get a printed or digital pattern of your choice, with a bead legend, pattern design, numbered graph, and a word chart. If you choose the digital pattern, there will be a card with a QR code in the kit. Just scan it with your smartphone and download the PDF file to your digital device. Now, let me share a tip on making the thread move smoothly along the needle. To prevent twisting and tangling, hold the needle with 2 fingers as shown in the video. Press the needle's eye firmly. Now let's move on to the second tip. If you can't ask for help to fasten the bracelet, I'll teach you how to do it by yourself. Basically, all you need is a bobby pin. Thread it through the chain, hold the bobby pin with one hand and fasten the bracelet with the other. The materials in the starter pack may vary, but the main components are the same. The entire range of products is available in my online store, link down below the video. Follow me on Instagram. If you wanna get free patterns, DM me on Instagram with the code word JUSTPATTERN. That's it for now, bye bye! See you later, alligator!
Я додам то по сховках в кінці.
Да.